Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer error code. It says close other apps. It looks like another apps using the camera. Currently if you need to, it says 0xa00f4288. Let's fix that guys. First thing I recommend to do, go and restart your PC guys. Sometimes simply restart can fix the issue guys. That's why I'm telling go ahead and restart your PC. After that, if you not get resolved, try this as well guys. Go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you need to go to privacy and security, click on it, and after that right side Windows permission, scroll down app permission, you need to click on camera or here, and after that you need to check whether the camera access is enabled or turned on. Anyone using this device on, choose if their apps have camera access. When this is on, you on here. After that, you using specific apps, you need it for it, you need to turn it on as well. You having specific app using for it, you need to turn on as well guys. And that's it guys. After turning it on, you hopefully resolve the problem. If you not get resolved, try this guys. Go to system and go to scroll down and click on troubleshoot, recommend troubleshoot preference history, and here click on other troubleshooters and scroll down guys. We get camera option over here and click on run. Here if you have any problem, he'll be resolved guys. That's it guys. After that, if you get problem, you need to complain in Microsoft website guys. That's not pretty much here, or you need to check in your camera have any problems. You need to check properly, and if your connections are any weaker point, try to replug it again and try to find any problems in it. And that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. Thank you.